In this guide, I'll show you how to use your headset and microphone on the Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is plug in the headphone and mic jack into the top of your Switch, or if you have a Pro controller, you can plug it into that. Then what we're going to do is go to System Settings and scroll down, and you want to look for the audio settings. Now under Audio Output, select the source, and you want to change this to Audio Jack, and then scroll down in this section, and where it says Test Output, you can test the play audio. And when you turn this on, you should hear a buzzing noise in your headset. If you don't, make sure the volume dial's turned up on your headset, as well as if you have a mute toggle on your actual headset, make sure that's not turned on. So for the input microphone, we're going to change this to Audio Jack, so it's not going to use the system mic. And you can leave noise suppression on, as well as the input volume, you can leave that turned up. And you can test the microphone here just to ensure it's working. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.